are going to the Nutcracker, and the theme of our look that night is all black and like some type of like sparkle or something like that. And I think these would be really cool. Now, I don't know if it's just like a lot of sparkle here, but I don't know. This could work. It could work. It could be really cool. Wait, guys, I think I might have found my loafer. It's Kate Spade, and it's very pretty. I love this. Now, it doesn't have any sparkle, but maybe I could, you know, do my sparkly Gucci earrings or something. I don't know, but these are really cute.
This was designed by MKPhD.
Oh wow, okay guys, she found the shoe. It's here at
in
Macy's.
the leopard. I don't know if I want this leopard or if I want the black, but we'll see. But they have the leopard, so I can try it on.
Okay. Yeah. So I like the leopard.
They're cute.
The only reason why I like this shoe is because it does like this.
Mesh and has
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, you can see through it.
Yeah.
Turn to the side. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, that's too big.
Does it look too big?
No, well, yeah, a little bit. Yep. Y'all will be trying to make sure that I'm in good lighting and stuff. And this light here in Victoria's Secret is not what's up, but yeah. So now they have the color that we really like here.
What?
Right here, this usual color, yeah. Yes, thank you. Who wants to be put up that high? Okay, so there's the perfect light right there, y'all. So y'all, this is what I'm wearing today. It's my look of the day. Of course, I have on my Target apparel. I have on my jacket from there. I have this jacket here with the zipper from there as well. And then I have on my ribbed navy blue leggings from there as well. And then I have on my Fila's. These are becoming a favorite of mine and a lot of people's too. I've been posting them in my story, and a lot of people on my story on Instagram like them.
My workout was great. I did 2 miles. I don't remember how much time I did, and I was looking to see if it was still on the treadmill. But it's 12 o'clock, and so now I'm working on steps for tomorrow. And I didn't get 10,000 in today, but I'm gonna make up for the, I think, 2,000 miles or so that or not miles, 2,000 steps. So I didn't get 10,000 steps in today. I'm gonna make up for that between tomorrow and Thursday, or tomorrow and Wednesday. We'll make it up, I promise. I don't like this color.
Oh, it's the Madewell belt. You like traditional Christmas colors? Yeah. It just reminds me of when we were kids. Yeah. Very, very nostalgic.
Kids of today will not know when they're adults. They won't be able to have anything to identify real Christmas.
Right. Oh, the couch?
Yeah. You don't like that?
It's not bad. I just didn't think you would like it. You like it for us?
Yeah, but I don't.
But also, it looks like something that would be like in a, what's the home? The beach home.
Okay. I wouldn't be able to wear socks with these.
Those are cute.
Do they have a 10.5?
Stand up. Those are
Oh,
cute.
yeah, I'm gonna put the other one on. So people always ask us, do you guys see celebrities? Like, are you guys always going where celebrities go? Like our cousin, she just asked us that like during Thanksgiving holiday. And we're like, no, we really don't. We've seen some people, whatever. But I think we just saw T.I. You guys confirm for us, because I don't know, he looked just like him, but he also looked like our uncle to me too. So confirm for us if T.I. has hair now, like if he has like cornrow braids, because I want to know. Maybe was that him? I don't know.
He gave her a nod.
He gave us a nod. So, hey. When's gonna get him? Ooh. That's him. That was him. Y'all. So, hold on. That was him. This is who we saw. He looks like our uncle, and he is T.I.
That's the man.
He went into Saint Laurent, but before while we were in the foyer. And I was like, that's probably him, because of course you don't have to be a celebrity.
I ain't got no
but
hair.
Yeah, no, this is him. And I was like, the probability is high that it's him because he went into Saint Laurent, And then, Keandra, she was showing me, and we did look it up, and that's him. He's got hair and he's got braids. Like, this is Bow Wow's uncle and our uncle and Uncle Greg. So yeah, we saw T.I. today. That's funny.
What?
What? This how you do hip hop.
Oh, I was like, you being fast. No, you're not. You're explaining hip hop. Okay.
Keep them don't keep them by your side.
Y'all can tell she love her dress, right?
I'm so excited about this dress. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So she did hem it a little too short. I don't have very much clearance in the back. So like this is what the back looks like.
Y'all, Kim looks so good.
But like she has like a 2-inch hem here. And so she's gonna have to go like an inch. Maybe I would even say, yeah, just an inch. Cause I wanted it to my fingertip. And so here's my fingertip. and this is the hem. So yeah, I want to be able to wear it, you know, and be comfortable. These are the shoes that I got from Zara. Love them. They are a little bit too big, but the 9 was going to be a little too small. I'd rather a little too big than a little too small, honestly. But I love that I got these tights. Y'all, I've got my sparkly fishnets from the same place. I ordered these second during Black Friday, and I got these first, and then the other order came was supposed to come the next day, but it got lost in transit. I think the driver signed for it, and he must have tossed it out into the bushes or something, because the package hasn't shown up. So I've been trying to contact the brand, and lots of people have been trying to contact the brand because they haven't even gotten their packages at all. And so I'm not gonna disclose who the brand is because I'm not sure, like, based on how they handle this customer service, I'll, you know, share them, because they were fishnets that I was wearing with this, and they were going to be like sparkly and it's so cute and stuff. So now I have to think of something else, and I only have like a week to get that sorted. And they look like great quality. These are great quality. These don't rip. And I hate that I won't be able to share them. But I would hate for you guys to go through that too. And they're a woman-owned business, so it sucks. And I see that it has about 2 inches or so.
So you want longer or short?
Just a little bit longer.
Okay.
So I want some of that space taken down a little bit.
Okay.
If possible.
Yeah.
So like,
You want the length?
it's beautifully done, baby.
Yeah, you did an amazing
You want
job.
that much? Short, that much or longer?
Oh, the hem.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Right?
So about,
Half inch? Or you want
yeah, let's do that much of the hem.
3/4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem. When you want this back?
We're going to get food now?
Probably.
Food. So y'all, we are planning for our next shoot. We've been doing like for the past like 4 years, we've been doing shoots and campaigns and stuff like that for Christmas. We've gotten pretty busy this month doing a couple of other things. So me and Kim are hosting our friend's baby sprinkle. So it's like a baby shower. So we're hosting her sprinkle, and then we're going to also go to the Nutcracker. And then we have an event, an influencer event that we'll be going to this weekend. So a lot of things have cut into us being able to plan and all that kind of stuff. So instead of having a launch this Christmas, we're gonna launch next month. Actually, I think we did that last year too. That launch went pretty well. Oh yeah, that's right. It was for our Noire Icon sweatshirt. And so we released that sweatshirt and everybody loved it. And so we're gonna do that again this year. Not that sweatshirt, but we're gonna release something. I'm saying something, but I can't tell you because, you know, it ain't your business right now. I can't tell you. One thing that a lot of people ask us is, you know, like, how do we, you know, like go through with being entrepreneurs and being successful? And one of the things that we share with them is that we're not always married to anything that it is that we're doing with our brand and with our business. So we can do pretty much what we want to do. And so being a small business, that really matters, you know, like doing what it is that you can do, when you can, how you can. And, you know, we're just pretty busy. And when I say how we can, when we can, it's because we are a 3-man business. And so, you know, that really matters, how we handle what we do and all those things. Kim doesn't know if I should get this headband, but we have an event to go to tomorrow. So we're here at Anthropology, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to like do my hair like or whatever. So of course I'm gonna wash it. It's gonna be bobbed up. I'm gonna have the Edna, but I just yeah, I don't know if I should get it or not. But I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna check some other ones out, and I'm gonna see.